Ready to elevate your snack game? Let's make fusion Bhel Puri with kurkure. Start by chopping your veggies finely. Freshness is key. In a bowl, mix the chopped veggies with kurkure. Now let's add some tangy sauces for that burst of flavor. Drizzle the sauces generously over the mixture. Toss everything together for an even blend. For an extra crunch, sprinkle some sev on top. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves for a pop of color. Serve it in a bowl and enjoy immediately. The perfect snack for any occasion. Ready to impress your friends and family? Fusion Bhel Puri is sure to be a hit.